Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok name on your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and log in TikTok. After that, you'll find profile on the left side of your screen. Just click it and click on edit profile. Now, here is my name. All I gotta do is click on this edit button and edit my name according to my needs. After that, all I have to do is click on the save button and my name will be changed just like that. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.